Welcome to Cebu's first DIY baking studio. You can bake a variety of treats, such as chocolate chip cookies, brownies, or cakes. They are relatively easy and quick to bake, and having multiple tools for you to utilize can definitely inspire creativity in you. The recipe at the studio for us yields for a layer of cake. You start by preheating the oven for a few minutes. Since this takes a while, you can start mixing the ingredients while waiting. My daughter and I love baking sometimes, and here we are having some fun.
That's just fine. Ovens are warming, hearts open wide. Together we bake with joy as our guide. Mama's old recipes passed down with love. In the kitchen we fit like hand in glove.
After mixing, it's time to pour to the baking pan.
Brings pure delight.
Now bake for 25 to 30 minutes.
Taste of
While waiting, we mix the ingredients for the icing decorations.